How's it going, guys? It's Josh from Hawaii Tech Tablets, back with another video for the U18 Smartwatch. Now this is a functions review video, and this comes as request of one of my YouTube subscribers that goes by the name of My Name is Jamie1. So shout out to you, and enjoy the video, guys. And as always, if you guys want to pick this watch up, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Click on the link, it'll take you directly over to the product, okay? Now, you guys wanted to see some of the functions of this watch, so let's go ahead and start off with watch faces. So we're going to move on over. This is the app for the U18, and it's on my phone right now. And by clicking on any of the watch faces on the app, it will automatically change the watch face on the watch itself. There's some pretty nice ones on here. So there we go. My favorite happens to be the clock that shows your city and your weather, and I usually leave it on top of there. But there are some pretty cool watch faces that are on top of here too. If you want to just have a standard analog looking watch, there's quite a few of them on here too. Alright, now going back, we're going to move on over to notification settings. Now this is for the app itself. You can turn on all your notifications and select exactly what notifications you want pushed on over to the watch. Now going on over to weather on the app, you can select your actual city by typing in the city and searching, and it will pull it up. And you can set your temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, vice versa. There's also a file manager on top of the app itself. And find watch. This is a pretty good one, just in case you put your watch down somewhere, took it off for a second, can't find it. So on top of the app too, there is a tracking little GPS app that you can see right here. Sorry about the glare, guys. Okay, now that I have my location settings on, let's go back out to the U18 watch and see what happens. Hey, there we go. It picked up my location from the watch itself, and it's showing that on top of the map right here. So the watch is actually sending over its exact coordinates over to the phone. That's a cool little app to have right there. That's on top of the phone. Now you can also go over here to monitoring, and this is your fitness tracker, and it has day and month. So there's a little graph right here that shows you how many steps you've taken, things like that. Okay, so enough with the app. Let's go on over to the watch itself. Now, let's go on over and go over all of the apps that are actually inside this thing. So we got browser right here. And you got to turn on your Wi-Fi if you want to go into that. We'll do that in a little bit. But here's a clock right here, and you can set alarms. Here's your downloads, file manager, gallery. Let's go ahead and play a video on the watch. These two little videos were actually came installed on the watch already. I guess just to give you guys a little show of what it can do. actually looks pretty good. Looks really good. Video looks good on here. It's actually pretty loud too. So you could download videos to it and music. Let's go back. We have a stopwatch on top of here. Any of you guys out there that are interested in using something like that for jogging something, who knows? Pretty cool looking too. We got people on here. Now these are all my contacts right here that have synced on over to the watch. And it has pretty much all my contacts, even email contacts too. So it sent everybody on over, straight on over to the watch. We got a timer right here. Pretty cool little function. Now on over, this is DU. This is a Chinese GPS app, which I won't be using. We have Multimedia right here, where you can actually use it to play music and stuff right off your phone. Let's go ahead and try that all over again. Now by pressing the play button, it's playing the music on my phone. Now after the multimedia, I'm going to go ahead and hit the remote camera app. This one's actually pretty cool. So let's hit remote camera app on the watch and see what happens. So whatever I display with my phone, whatever I point my phone at, it will show up on top of the watch. You can actually snap a picture too. Let's go ahead and do that. And it will snap a picture on my phone and on the watch. That's actually pretty cool. You can actually reverse the camera too. You can reverse the camera to the front camera on your phone directly off the watch and back to the back. So that one's pretty cool. Here's your Bluetooth connection right here, where you can actually send files on over. And this is also where you connect and send over the U18 Smart app. Now, telephone. Let's go on over and make a phone call. And so we're actually calling my friend right now, directly off the watch. And he's probably not going to answer because he is at work. Now let's go ahead, let me call my own phone with my other phone. So there we go. As you can see, I got a call coming in. And I'm going to go ahead and answer that. Hello? Hello? So you can hear it on the watch. You're going to be able to talk directly to the watch. The person on the phone will actually hear you pretty good. and it works nice and well. Now let's go over to compass. This is actually a pretty useful app because it's actually pretty accurate. So it's actually pretty accurate and works pretty good. Let's go over to pedometer. We can start. Let's finish. It'll show you how far you've traveled. That's another pretty useful one. Sleep monitor just tracks your movement throughout sleep and lets you know exactly how well of a night's sleep you got. And I wouldn't really use a function like that, but maybe some of you will. And I've used it once and it, I guess, works okay, I guess. Okay, let's go ahead and hit the find phone right off my watch. I've showed you guys the find watch. Now let's find my phone. Show you guys that again. So you can easily find your phone if you lose it somewhere. As you can see, I just got another SMS from WeChat right up there. And it'll display it right in the center top of your watch. Let's go back out. Weather, I've showed you guys that. History shows you all the calls that you have made. Or all of your call history. I got notifications, so we got one up here from WeChat, and we got one in just SMS messages. So you can select which one you want to read from right there. Here's your settings right here, and in settings we got date and time, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, audio profile, sound, display, wallpaper, apps, location, language and input, reset watch, developer options, and about watch. And let's Android KitKat. Music. There's a couple of songs that are already downloaded onto the watch for you. So, but you can add more music if you would like to. That's one that comes on the watch already. Sound recorder. We got a schedule. You can schedule an event inside of here. And that's pretty much for the apps. Now let's go back in and let's go on over to the settings and turn on the Wi-Fi. Settings, Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. And let's go out to the browser. So it loads up pretty quick, actually. So the pages load up kind of quick. I'm browsing Amazon right now, right on here. And you can customize your home screen, your home page if you want to. Set it to Google if you want to. Go ahead, do whatever you guys like. But the browser is actually pretty good. So there we go, guys. I hope this video helps you guys with all the functions and stuff like that. Again, if you guys see anything that I did miss or want to know about anything else, go ahead and leave a comment. I'll definitely try and help you guys out with that. If you're also interested in picking up this watch, again, like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description. And thanks for watching, guys.